It was a joke. I didn't really vape through my ear. However, I got Ben, who taught me that in the first place. I got Anissa. Her name's Alyssa. I call her Anissa. You guys can call her Slut. Right now.
Or
Skank. Anyway, I'm sorry. You are none of those things except for the skank. And anyway, we're going to a waterfall right now. And what are you doing, Ben?
what are you doing?
I'm going to a waterfall. You want to help me transition there?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Whoa. Alright, we're here. Okay, check this out, guys. Because you're going to freaking love it if I don't fall on the way down. Yeah.
Always going?
There she is. The beautiful waterfall. I feel so, like, at nature, like, so attuned with my body that I feel, like, smarter almost, you know?
Yeah, I know.
It makes me just want to... Ben, okay. My sex life? Your. I feel, however, we should get some kind of sick edit. Shut up! Shut up! It's okay, Shrek. I want to get like a cool, like, waterfall edit. Here we go. Guys, wait! Wait, guys! Somebody say bowling? I did.
It looked good, I like it. Can you come back?
So that was fun. There's some more clips of us bowling on my Snapchat, so you can add me right here. Also, we just came to Taco Bell to get food, but we have to leave in an urgent rush because friends popped the tire, so I gotta go fix it because I'm a freaking man.
Are you taking a picture of him?
Say cheese. Don't mess up. Go, Alex.
Honey, that's the wrong.
When it
He looked at me and it was like, bitch.
no, I looked at him because he was like, "Go, Alex."
I was gonna say I'm too
Say
hot.
cheese.
That's why everybody stares. But
What'd you just say, Ben? Ben, what'd you just say? Ben, what'd you say, Ben?
Say cheese.
This is your phone.
Bitch. What if I just kicked him right at your fucking car?
I'd take the donut off, pop it.
Smash it.
then
How much you want to bet your donut's flat?
that would be
We'll find out when we lower it.
the day of my freaking life.
I'm going to only go like 80 and 90 miles.
No, they yeah, I used to use it all the time. Ready?
Yep. Scary.
He falls in.
Okay, so it's the next day, and I didn't know what to vlog. I actually didn't vlog today, so like I'm sorry. But like, you know, I don't vlog or post a vlog unless if it's like 10 minutes. So I made a short skit to add time to the vlog that I did have. So here's that. I think you got the wrong number. What do you want?
Sister's a mister.
What, dude?
Hey, forgot to tell you, your granny's a tranny.
No. Grandma?
What you get, honey? Oh, yeah.
Alex, wake up.
What?
You're talking in your sleep again.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome, fag.
Grandma?
Hey, what'd you need?
So there it was. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There was no really, like,
You see how fast I exited out of that?
because you know better.
I didn't think it was gonna make any fire noise.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. There was no specific purpose to the video. We just made it the pastime for the vlog. And I got some bloopers, so here those are. You hear her say Alex for the first time?
Kel.
Call. Alright. And then be like, yeah. Yours be like, you're welcome, fact. Alright, go.
Alex. Alex, wake up. You were sleeping.
It's okay, keep talking. I'm just vlogging, that's all I'm doing. Go ahead. Say it. Go ahead.
Dead.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm just kidding.
I'm just wasting time.
Will you shut up? I am just wasting time. I'm just, so somebody say something, please.
Sorry, taking a poop. Whoever bended him. You can see it. Just might wanna stop.
No, Ben. No.
Maybe. Let me get this.
Oh! Oh! Bye. So aside from my head getting smacked, that is it for the vlog. I know I wasted time, and I'm still doing it because I still need... I don't have a watch on, but a couple more seconds. What am I at? 10 seconds? I need 35, 25. I was at 35, which means I need 25 to complete the vlog, and right now I'm at 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Alright, guys, I'll see you in the next vlog. I hope you enjoyed this one. Peace out, Girl Scouts.
Or.
Bye.